Look here, the first step, click on, just you can see here, there is a small garbage box with this cat. So what we will do first, we will delete it. Here, we will click on it and we'll delete it. Now go to your Scratch and delete this one, please. And I'm waiting. Number two thing which we are gonna do, you can see here this one with the plus sign, choose a sprite. So just click on it. Please let me complete my steps, then go to your screen and do this step. Okay. From here, I will, maybe I cannot find that. So what I will do here, which thing I need, I will write here. I need bug. So what I will write here, B-U-G, bug. So here you can see this bug and I will click on it. Here you can see this one. Now go to your screen, click on it, write bug, B-U-G in the search bar and choose that bug which I choose. And I'm waiting. There is extension from where we can add some more blocks. Left side of your screen in the bottom, you can see this icon with the plus sign. Please, for now, just look at my screen. Once I'll finish and I'll say to go to your screen and do the step, then go. Okay, for now, just keep your eyes on my screen. Click on that here, then you can see these extensions. So from here, we will choose this one, pen. Here, this one, pen. Now the pen is added here. Okay, so now go to your screen and do this step and I'm waiting. Look at my screen. Okay, now I am going into events and from here I will choose when flag clicked. Now go to your screen and do this step, please, and I'm waiting. Okay, go to event and choose the first block and put it on the script. The next one is now I will go into the pen, which I choose from the extension. Here, this is pen. Please keep eyes on my screen, leave everything from your hands. And here, pen, the last one. From here, I will choose the third block, which is pen down. Just drag and drop here under the yellow block on the script. Now go to your screen and please do this step. I will choose from the control here, this one from the code. This is orange one. From here, I will choose the third block, which is this one, and I'll drag and drop it on my script here. Just go to your screen and do this step now, please. And I want from here the first block, which is move 10 steps. I just drag it here and drop it into the script between the 4 error block here. I want you to do this step and I'm waiting. Okay, after this step, move 10 steps here. We will choose from the same blocks, turn 15° and we will drag it here, drop it here under the move 10 steps. I want you to now do it on your Scratch. Now, okay, what you have to do, sorry, I just pressed that. Just click on the green flag. You can see that your bug is turning 15 degrees round and round and round and round and round and round and creating a circle. Yes, it works. If it works, so please thumbs up.